So what did you subscribers choose for me? A white t-shirt and blue jeans. And I'm going to take these basics and show you exactly how I make these look pulled together and just how easy it really is to have effortless style. So every now and again on my effortless styling videos, I get comments like, that doesn't look very effortless, or effortless style doesn't exist. Well, interesting fact about me, one of my favorite things to do is to prove people wrong. So we've got our basic white t-shirt. I picked like the most basic white t-shirt I own. I'm gonna go with my instinct of just a straight fit pair of jeans, because a straight fit pair of jeans is probably the most classic because it's been around the longest. Alley-oop. Okay, jeans check. Basic look, right? So it's a quite boxy, rectangled look. I'd say the most instinctual way to add shape, the easiest way to add shape, is we tuck in the shirt. Yeah, pretty straightforward. That has pulled it together a little bit more. Let's see if we're all on the same page. Comment down below what you think I'm going to add next. Did you guess belt? Yeah, it's a belt. I'm gonna add a belt. A belt is fun because it just adds a little detail in a very understated way. I like it because it defines the waist more. It kind of snatches the waist and gives us even more shape. There we go. So this is like one of the most classic looks ever. I think the biggest thing when it comes to effortless style is how do you take something as basic and classic and redundant as a white t-shirt and blue jeans and sort of make it unique or make it more stylish or more elevated. And I think that's the biggest thing that people get stuck on when it comes to effortless style. So we'll get there, but let's just take it one step at a time. Next thing would be to add an accessory, right? Well, what accessory? I mean, there are a lot of accessories we could add here. So what is a sort of basic instinctual accessory that we could add that everybody would have in their wardrobe? Yep, jewelry. What's this hiding back here? It's my Idyl Jewelry, the sponsor of today's video. Ooh. If you've been following me for a while, you know that Idyl is a longtime partner of mine, a contemporary take on diamond jewelry. And what really got me is the fact that it's modular jewelry. I love modular things because I love getting my bang for my buck. Speaking of effortless style, it was like a complete game changer when I got these earrings because I realized it was something that was missing from my style. Because I have a very casual type style, adding this luxe, glam, femininity, it instantly just transformed it to a whole nother level and automatically became a sort of signature for me. But I think more than anything, when it comes to my clothing, my jewelry, my accessories, my shoes, whatever it may be, I need it to be quality. And so when I saw that these are real diamonds, but made in a lab ethically, no one's getting hurt, that makes me even happier. So now I have beautiful pieces that don't hurt people or the environment and elevate my style in the most effortless, easiest way. What can top this all off? Well, what have we not added yet? Shoes. Shoes. We have not added shoes. Instinctually, what would we add for shoes? We've got white t-shirt, blue jeans, black belt, some diamond jewelry. You guys know what it's gonna be. You know what's happening. Yeah, yep, the Marnie Chelsea boots. I have styled these things in my videos so many times, and you know what? I think that just proves a point about effortless style. It's not about having as many choices as possible, having a full range of options. It really just boils down to figuring out a good classic foundation that you can't really go wrong with, never goes out of style, and then just figuring out what you like, figuring out what makes you feel like the best version, and just stick with that. Just repeat the sugar out of it. Like, wear it every day. Who cares? I don't care. She doesn't care. He doesn't care. They don't care. So there you go. That's all that this boils down to. And you know what? I do have to argue that effortless things do take effort. There is nothing effortless in this world that does not have some sacrifice or work that was put into it. It looks effortless because work was put in to make it effortless. Wanting to move with you. And the only thing that is separating my white t-shirt with blue jeans outfit from somebody else's is my personal preferences and my personal choices. That's where I get to express myself creatively. And that's how we transform something so classic, so redundant, into something completely unique to us. It could be simple as a hairdo, your jewelry choices, or just a pair of steezy, edgy pair of boots. Question is, my friends, at the end of the day, was this an easy, effortless outfit? I don't know. You tell me. You're the ones that picked it for me.